Everyone I've ever met wants what's better for themselves and for their kids, but oftentimes they're kind of just stuck within whatever they've been doing and they don't have a different way to see it. So the WSC model is providing a structure around not just telling people to do something, but also saying that we're willing to do what it takes to change the structure of the school and the resources available within the school to make it a possibility for programs to thrive.
If the priority is your students and their success, there's no better platform to operate from. There's no better way to start a conversation. What is it that you can do to help my students be successful, and are you willing to step up and do it? And having those conversations when you move from that platform are very, very easy.
Health and wellness, it's not just eating right and staying active. You also have to make sure that you're thinking about the mental health and well-being of students. Making sure that there's a lot of support for kids is really important.
It really becomes everyone's responsibility to support the kids. I think the WSC model speaks to that because it's not just the school district's responsibility. It's not just the parents' responsibility. It's not just the community's responsibility. It's all of our responsibility to work together.
Our WSC team took on work with our wellness policy to make it a comprehensive wellness policy. And by including language in the wellness policy about our WSC team, it gives us a clear role in continuing to assess that policy going forward. So in that way, we're promoting our wellness efforts overall, but also the policy that we crafted helps support and sustain our WSCC team.
We have a health coordinator, which is helping to collaborate with various agencies. She attends the community health team, which has lots of stakeholders that are focused on health initiatives in our community.
Being able to build that community, both from the outside in and the inside out, has really kind of opened up our fences that are around the school and allow people to know what's happening at Crockett.
We've seen such improvements in participation and ease of use, and this really not being an add-on at all by looking at all the teams that we already have, all the things that we're already required to do, finding the overlap and consolidating them into our WSC team.
It's hard for me to think about the costs that are associated with this work because the vast majority of it is just based on in-house staff that we have and work that we're already doing.
If I didn't have it within my budget, I found other avenues to pull fiscal opportunities from, grants, partnerships, community supports, to make sure that things that needed to be funded within that model were funded.
I think when it comes to actionable change in a school environment, that it's good to start with small wins. Pick low-hanging fruit. And if it can be done through the logistics on our campus, it's an easy start.
I feel like it seems like a lot of work at times, but it actually has been less work because there's less meetings, there's more collaboration, and I think you get more done when there's more people working together. It doesn't all have to happen at once. It's definitely, always in progress. You're just adding things each year.
From a parent perspective, just going to the meetings and just taking the baby steps that we've taken, it really just seems to flow. And I think it's something that our community and our teachers and our school principals, administration has really wanted, and it's a good thing.
Sticking to the vision and the mission, having the courage and the faith to continue to persevere in the direction that we know, that the WSC model has demonstrated can be most successful for kids and families and schools.